It's a whole new way of amping up security with a robot on wheels. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter when you're there. All right, check this out. Meet THALAMUS. It's an autonomous safety robot designed to perform intrusion detection and then pick up on anomalies such as heat, smoke, leaks, or holes. This robot's 100% electric. It's got 360-degree LiDAR infrared cameras that allow it to perform in day and night. And it's got GPS that can send its coordinates too in case of emergency. THALAMUS also uses AI to detect intrusions and uses advanced learning and configuration capabilities to recognize and learn objects, read license plates, identify faces when authorized, and a whole lot more. This robot is 551 pounds, that's heavy, 7 feet long, and can go 18 miles an hour, giving it the stability it needs to continue working in all circumstances. With THALAMUS on patrol, the only thing our human guards will need to secure is another job. Check out more cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Open a browser, type in cyberguy.com, and click the little red button.